students, how are you all doing? I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. So students, today's topic is living and non-living things. So we have different kinds of things around us. Some are living and some are non-living. How do we classify them? Let's see that. So here are many pictures. You can see living and non-living things easily. Put a tick on the things that are living. So let's look at the pictures and we will put a tick on the things that are living. So a cow is a living thing. Then trees are also living. Birds are also living. Parrot again is a bird, living. Then we have rabbit is a living thing. Hen is a living thing. Then we have tiger, it is also living. Then a man, a boy, it is also living. And rest of them, they are non-living things. You are a living thing. Plants and animals are living things too. All things that you see around you are either living or non-living. So आप living हो, मैं living हूँ, आसपास जितने भी humans और plants और animals हैं, वो सारे living things हैं. And we can see living as well as non-living things around us. Now let's study about living things. Living things need food and water to live. Living things need air to breathe. सांस लेने के लिए हवा चाहिए हमको और उसके साथ साथ खाना और पानी भी चाहिए. Otherwise we will not be able to survive. Living things can move. Plants are living things, but they cannot move. Living things feel, living things grow, living things produce more of their kind, living things die. So living things move कर सकते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे, but plants exception है. ये भी एक certain तरीके का movement दिखाते हैं, but we will study about them in higher classes. Then we need food also to grow. We grow also, we move also, we breathe also, and then we reproduce also. And living things, because they live and survive, that is why they can die also, and they do die at specified times. All plants, animals and human beings are living things. Now let's study about non-living things. Non-living things cannot move, eat food, feel, grow, breathe and reproduce. A door, fan, bag, bus, etc. are all non-living things. तो आपके bag हो गया, फैन हो गया, टेबल हो गया, चेयर हो गया, अपने आप ये मूवमेंट नहीं शो करते हैं. आप इनको उठा के कहीं रखोगे तो मूवमेंट शो करेंगे, अदरवाइज नहीं करते हैं. ना ग्रो होते हैं. एक चेयर आप खरीद के लेकर आओ, डे 10, डे 100, हमेशा वो चेयर वैसी रहेगी, ग्रो नहीं करेगी. सो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कैन नॉट रिप्रोड्यूस, कैन नॉट ग्रो, दे डू नॉट ब्रीथ, दे डू नॉट मूव ऑल्सो. Now let's see things around us, living things and non-living things. So men, animals, birds, plants and trees, etc. What are they? They are living things. And then books, copies, pencils, furniture, door, table, bicycle, rivers, mountains, etc. These are non-living things. Living things need food, air and water to grow. आपको भी खाना चाहिए, पानी चाहिए grow करने के लिए. And similarly, all the living things need all of these things. Non-living things do not need food, एयर और वाटर. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, चेयर या फिर किसी भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग को आप नहीं भी दोगे ये सब तो भी चल जाएगा, क्योंकि उनको देने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है, बिकॉज दीज आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, दे डू नॉट रिक्वायर दैट. They can move on their own, talk and reproduce. So living things आप खुद से बात कर सकते हो, आप जो adults होते हैं they can reproduce also, unlike non-living things. They cannot move on their own, talk or reproduce. एक chair reproduce नहीं कर सकती है, बात नहीं कर सकती है आपसे. So these are the differences, major differences between non-living things and living things. Now natural and man-made things. Some things like toys, books, wall, clock, etc. are made by man and are called man-made things. तो आपकी book हो गई, notebook हो गई, आपके toys हो गए जिससे आप खेलते हो, television हो गया, chair हो गया जिस पे आप बैठते हो, ये सारी चीजें because they are created by human beings, that is why they are called man-made things. Things like the sun, moon, plants and animals etc. are made by nature and are called natural things. Now on contrary to that, सूरज, चांद, human beings, plants, ये सारी चीजें because nature ने हमको दी हैं, these are called natural things. Now make a record. Write names of 2 natural things and 2 man-made things found in or near your classroom. So you have natural things and then man-made things. अपने classroom के आसपास देखिए, बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी, plants होंगे, table, chair, chalk, etc. etc. इसमें से जितनी भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हैं उनको आप एक नॉन लिविंग कैटेगरी में लिखेंगे और ऐसे ही 2 आपको मैन मेड थिंग्स और नेचुरल थिंग्स की कैटेगरी में डालना है. Now, the sun, moon, rocks, mud, etc. are some natural things that are non-living. अब sun, moon, although ये natural हैं, but still ये non-living things की category में आती हैं. Can you find out names of some more natural non-living things? इनके अलावा और भी बहुत सारी ऐसी natural non-living things हैं which are natural but non-living हैं. They do not need basic things. They cannot talk. They cannot reproduce because वो non-living things में आती हैं. You just have to name a few and write it down. HOTS, higher order thinking skills. A balloon grows up when we fill air in it. Is it a living thing? आप बलून में जैसे ही हवा भर देते हैं ऊपर की तरफ उड़ने लग जाता है या बड़ा होने लग जाता है. Is it a living thing? The answer is absolutely no. External forces लगाए जाते हैं तब उसमें आपका वो grow करता है. Otherwise it is a non-living thing. Multiple choice questions. Now you have certain questions that you have to answer on your own. Now let's do exercises, oral questions. Name some living things. So humans, then plants, animals, all of them are living things. Name some man-made things. Man-made things are chair, table, furniture, door, anything. It is man-made. Now take the correct option. Were you always of the same size? The answer is no. Option B. Living things can live without breathing. Answer is no. Option A. Now in each of the following circle the thing as directed. So आपको सबसे पहले जितने भी pictures given है उसमें आपको natural thing पे circle करना है. Let's see. So amongst these cat is the only one जो natural में है. तो आप cat पे circle बना देंगे. Then in the second one, living thing. Living thing कौन सी है? इसमें आपकी सारी की सारी last वाले को छोड़ के 3 आपकी living है. The boy, the lion and the hen. 3 are living. And in the last one, you have to figure out the non-living thing. So non-living thing कौन सी है? Bus is a non-living thing. Notebook is a non-living thing. And then vehicle, car is also a non-living thing. तो 3 में आपको circle लगाना है. Fill in the blanks with the correct words given below. So we have nature, man, living and breathe. All plants and animals are living things. Natural things are made by nature. Non-living things are made by man. All living things breathe. Now we have an activity to do. Just follow up the instructions that have been given to you and then you have to do this on your own. Write T for true and F for false statements. Clouds are man-made things. False. Natural things are made by man. False. Plants and animals are living things. True. Living things can move and breathe. True. Now answer the following questions. In these questions, you have to answer on your own. Now we have a project and you just have to follow the instructions and do this project on your own. And now we have a group discussion. Again, you have a question in front of you and this is a group discussion. So you will form groups in your classrooms and then you will have a discussion on the topic given. So students, with that we are done with this chapter. I hope you've understood each and everything. Just follow up the lecture regularly and rest of the exercise questions, please do it yourself.